Well, hello. Welcome to Critical Reading, Reading 112, the fully online course. I'm Mrs. Morrison, and I'll be your reading instructor this semester. We'll be working in the textbook Mindscape 2nd edition by Dr. Christine Evans Carter. We'll cover 4 units in the textbook. Unit 1, Reading for Structure. Unit 2, Reading for Main Ideas. Unit 3, Reading for Study. And Unit 4, Reading Critically. We'll also be completing activities related to the units. In addition, we'll be completing 3 projects. The Career Project, which is about helping you to research a career you are interested in pursuing. The Information Literacy Project, which has to do with learning how to lateral read, a very important skill in today's world of online resources. We'll also be completing the Article Analysis Project, which allows you to analyze and evaluate argumentative essays. So, if you run into trouble during the course and you need some assistance, you have plenty of different avenues to seek help. First of all, you can get help with D2L Brightspace. If you're listening to this video, you've already figured out how to sign on and how to open up the different modules, and that's great. If you need help with things like uploading an assignment or taking a quiz, even posting a discussion post, remember that there are videos in the Read Me First module, and honestly, they really are very helpful. If you continue to have trouble with D2L Brightspace, with computer compatibility, any kind of tech issues, on our course homepage, the page that has the announcements, at the very bottom you can find a light bulb icon, and that is another source of tech types of help. Also, you may not be having any tech troubles at all. You may have questions about the content or the assignments, and those are the kinds of questions I'll be happy to answer for you. You can contact me through email at dmorrison@pima.edu. It'd be really helpful if you include your name and CRN in your messages. You can also visit me in my office. I'm at West Campus in J110, and I have office hours Tuesdays and Thursdays from 1:45 to 2:45. I'm also always happy to set up a video conference with you. Just send me an email with a few times that I could choose from, and I'll get back to you. All right, that's it for now. Go ahead and continue on working through the Read Me First and introductory modules.